What's up guys, it's Mubin Tariq and welcome back to another interesting video. So today's video is very interesting because today I'm going to announce the winner of the giveaway of that mouse. So let's start the video. Before starting, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. So as I have told you guys that if you want to take part in the giveaway, then do comment on that video. So there are some comments on that video. So there is a website to pick the comments from the YouTube video. So let's say I open that site and I copy my YouTube video link and then I just copy and paste it on that website and then I click on pick comment. So yes, the winner is Usman. So congratulations Usman Khan, you have won this amazing gaming mouse. So do comment in the comment section of this video and I will share you the details in the comment section. So goodbye. I hope you guys will enjoy this tutorial. If yes, then tell me in the comment section of this video and please subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos, because in future I will give away many other products also. So please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications of my new videos. Goodbye.